Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is our first long form content video on the channel, so I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching. Just want to kind of do an introduction and give you some context what the channel is going to be about. Mainly going to focus on our actual fleet of quote unquote hoopties. We have 5 different vehicles, actually 6. We just purchased a van. So we'll go through some repairs and maintenance on those vehicles and some actual reviews on other vehicles. Should be pretty exciting. Honestly, we stay pretty busy. Maintaining 6 vehicles, even though they're for personal use, is quite a feat sometimes, especially when they all have issues at the same time, which seems to be happening right now, actually. I have a 2013 VW Passat TDI that's having diesel particulate filter issues, and actually I think there's a heater core cloggage on it also, so I'm going to get that resolved. Today I'm in this 2009 Honda Civic. This has been a very, very good vehicle for us, and I'll go ahead and crank it up. It's 228,000 miles. Let me zoom in and focus here, but it's been a very good vehicle. We couldn't ask for a better vehicle. We've had it for quite a number of years. We bought it when it was 2 years old, and it's been great. Cosmetically, not so good. It's got the typical Honda clear coat issues, and I'll kind of do a pan of it in a few minutes and show you. But as far as fit and finish, trim pieces, external trim pieces, weather stripping, all that stuff, it's typical Honda problems for this generation. Decayed pretty rapidly. But mechanically, it's awesome. It's flawless. It's been well maintained. You know, transmission flush is done, oil changes, that kind of stuff. It is in need of some suspension work, which we're going to do on this channel. It needs CV joints again. Those only last about 100,000 miles, it seems. This will be our second set. Second set. Going to replace the struts, probably the ball joints, and maybe the tie rod ends and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up soon. Definitely want to do the CV joints as soon as possible, because this thing's starting to ride pretty rough on the highway. Once you get over about 60, you can start feeling the car, vibrate pretty good. So that's got to be fixed. Other than that, this is honestly one of my favorite cars to drive, because it's so simple. It always cranks up. It's good on fuel. So couldn't ask for a better vehicle. But this is the kind of stuff we'll be posting on the channel. So just, general maintenance, general repairs, kind of car industry insights, that kind of stuff. Hopefully you find it interesting. Probably post a mix of long and short form content. So actual shorts and long videos. Hope you find it interesting, and hopefully the videos get better as time goes on. I'm pretty new to the whole YouTube thing, so not really have a ton of experience in film editing or actual filming videos, so that'll be pretty interesting. But something I want to do for a long time. Love vehicles. I actually love maintaining vehicles. Just kind of love the connection between man and machine. I always have, probably always will. So we'll go through some of the fleet, and for now, enjoy a pan of the exterior of the Civic. And I think the next video will be actually on this Civic. It won't be the suspension work immediately. I got to order the parts, but I need to do a couple filter changes, engine filter and the actual cabin air filter. So I'll show you that process. It's pretty simple, but it'll be a starter video at least, if nothing else. But thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the content as it comes out, and feel free to share in the comments if you want to see something specific, or if you want to know something specific. I'll definitely try to answer those questions for you. And thanks for tuning in. As you can see, the paint's not in the best condition here, but obviously it's got the typical clear coat issues with the Hondas. See the weather stripping. I actually like to get this repainted or actually wrapped. I'm not sure which one. Obviously wrapped's probably cheaper, but and got a couple dents here. This is where an actual piece of rubber flew up and hit the car. And my wife bumped into a couple things here, so other than that, I mean, it's not the best looking car, probably the epitome of a beater, but reliable and really good vehicle to keep on the road. So let me guys know in the comments what you think. Would you rather have it wrapped, painted, or which one would you do? Thanks for watching.